everybody. Welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And I have a collaboration video for you today. I'm collabing with the awesome Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture. And it's a Portland Leather Goods collab. And
PLG for short.
Yes, I already showed this. But this little bag here is called the Raindrop. And it's in the color Cinnamon Bear. And it got me kind of interested in this little tote. And then this has a big sister. And I decided that I needed to look into them both. So what I first did was I got another Raindrop. And so here's my little new Raindrop. I do not have anything in white. And this is not exactly white, but it's I would call it more of a grayish white.
That better be one heck of an umbrella to stop those types of raindrops.
Right. So that it's just what I kind of wanted to show is the difference in the leathers.
That one's coming off as kind of a antique white.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. But okay, so here's Cinnamon Bear leather. This pebbled
she's
leather.
kind of saggy.
Yes, a little slouchy. And then now this one, I wrote down all the names so I'd always know what I have now. This is in bone. And bone, I'm going to set that the same way. Yeah, so stop it. So the bone is just a smooth, very smooth leather. And just like, again, an off-white, it's a beautiful bag. And I absolutely love it. So I got this Raindrop. Now the Raindrop's big sister or brother is the Rainstorm. And what better colored bag to get in a rainstorm than aqua? So this is my aqua Rainstorm. These are a little bit different because they're an open compartment as well.
Is it aqua or agua?
Aqua.
Okay.
But they also have a slip pocket inside. Where's the... Oops, just 1 second here.
There's something in there that shouldn't be.
Not yet. So this has a slip pocket where the Raindrop doesn't. And the cool thing about this bag is, let me just show you. I'm so excited. This one has a number in it. Sometime you can get these stamped with the leather number on them. And rather than consider that a mistake, I consider it lucky, and I finally have one in it. Now, both of these bags right now don't come with zipper closures. They just come with snap closures, which I'm absolutely fine with, as long as it can kind of close. I don't need it all the way closed. They both come with adjustable, removable straps. And so, yeah, here's the difference, in case you were wondering. I could see this becoming a very big favorite of mine is compared to the mini crossbody. So just pull one of those down for you here.
Avalanche.
Here's a mini crossbody. So I would say width-wise, the Rainstorm looks wider. I would say it's actually probably a little bit, longer too, but not taller. The mini crossbody's taller. So very good equivalent to a mini crossbody. So yeah, I got this. This is also a smooth leather with a lot of pull-up in it. You can just see all the lines in it. So that's mine in aqua. And I like to collect things. Isn't my shirt cute? I'm not gonna lie. I got this to show you at Christmas time, and it never worked out showing it to you because when I got sick, I was wearing it. Now, long story, but I think it's a cute shirt, so I'm going to call it out. But anyways, Portland Leather Goods, I love their stuff, and now that I found it and I collected it, well, now I need one of every kind of piece of everything they have, and at least one of something of every color that they have. I know it's a problem. So they came out, I've been watching kind of like the little things they come out with. Like they have little tassels and stuff like that. But they came out with the cutest little things on the website. And they are the little bags. And they either are the little bag charms in the triangle bag. So this is a triangle bag. And again, now so that I'll always know colors, inside the little triangle bag, I put the name.
So it's not a fortune for a fortune cookie?
No, it's not. They do make a little fortune cookie, though. So this is Sunset. This little bag is Sunset. It's got a little slip pocket on the back here.
But it won't hold your phone.
And then it won't hold your phone. So it's just looks like that. And but you know, you could put AirPods in there.
I'm sensing a lot of these will be able to hold just
Change,
AirPods.
right? I mean, it just
This
supposed
one
to be
can
a
hold
bag charm
a quarter.
for the front of a bag. Now, if you don't get the triangle, you get a little tote.
Oh, Lord. What color is that?
So this one,
Cheater.
let me pull out my handy dandy tag from inside the front slip pocket.
Oh, that's what those are for.
And this is champagne.
Should have had that one a few days ago.
So, right? I know. So let me put this back in here because I don't want to lose them. And it's so cute because they actually do open and close. I mean,
That's funny.
They close. And just to give you an idea, between bone and champagne, they are quite a bit different. But see, wouldn't like that look a little cute hanging on there?
Hope you're not asking me.
Yeah, what? Now I'm just giving you the answer.
Rhetorical.
So I got those. Then I also got this cute little tote. This is in the color
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
Sweet Pea. So Sweet Pea is kind of like a purplish color with the contrast stitching. Look at that. The details are pretty nice on here. Put the little button through to close it or open it.
The drip is in the details.
Look at that. Wow. All right. And then let's see.
Gonna need a whole nother shelf just for those
actual
little bags.
AirPod holder case.
Is that what that one is?
Yeah, I believe so.
Does it come with AirPods?
No, it doesn't.
What the heck?
And, I was scared I didn't see a tag in there, but it's here. This is, this is Peacock. I should know that. I have a passport holder in Peacock.
Mrs. Peacock.
No. And,
candlestick.
No.
In the conservatory.
This one snaps close. So, yeah, this one is a little bit bigger. Can you believe I'm comparing? I gotta laugh myself. Like, look at, let's compare the two bags.
No.
So I have those. All right, then I got another AirPod holder. See, they have a little tassel at the bottom.
Goodness.
I think this is Storm. You know, I just get these and I put the tags in, I read the tags, I choose them when I buy them, and I can't remember the names. This is Storm. So I did remember that.
Not to be confused with the X-Men Storm.
No, this is different. These are, I have a hard time snapping these. There we go. So there's that. It's got a little key ring holder on it.
So you could put that right on your belt loop too.
Yep. Then I got another triangle bag.
Of course you did.
And I do not know how to pronounce the name of this color.
Green?
No, you'd think it would be, but it's Bacalair. Bacalair? Is that focusing?
Yeah.
So that's the name of this color. And I'm waiting till they maybe get this in a bag because I like this color, but in a bag a little bigger than this one. This is another little triangle bag. Then I needed a Cowboy Mint wallet to go with my Cowboy Mint mini crossbody. So I got this, and this is called the women's wallet. And this one, I really like this because I have the fold-out rancher's wallet. I don't like that as well. This one actually has just a really nice zipper spot in it. You also can put money over here. You could put change or whatever you want to in here. And then it has 12 card slots as well.
And that's why it's the women's wallet.
Right, yep, exactly, because it has everything. And then I even kept the name tag in here, just so I never forget that this was Cowboy Mint. So I got that. Just a couple more things. Got another bag. I like saying this is a bag. This tote is in begonia. So we have the little begonia tote. It's
It's got the, what'd you say, the contrast stitching as well?
Yes, it does. Yep.
You can teach an old dog new tricks.
Then they had this new wallet come out. So this is in foxglove. And I love these. These are the new buck leathers. They feel like suede. And this one just opens up and has, let's see, 1, 2, 3 card slots on this side, 3 card slots on that side. And then you could put stuff in here. So I just thought that was a cute little new wallet they have. So now I have that. And last, but certainly not least, is this last little triangle bag. And I think this is...
As opposed to just the triangle, the instrument?
Right. This is turmeric, this color.
It's not a turmeric.
It's turmeric. So I have this color too. This feels like a new buck leather as well. So I really like these. They also have the little fortune cookies. And they look like little fortune cookies. I don't like those. If I ever
You don't
get
like
one,
regular fortune cookies either, do you?
I do.
Okay.
I love fortune
All
cookies.
right, just checking.
I might get one of those, but if I ever did, it would probably be only to get a color I don't have, and then I'd knock off a color I didn't have, and I'd have that piece because I don't have it. They have little bird pouches that have been on the website. At least they were yesterday, that I think are super cute and that I eventually hope to get, but I'm not going to put an order in just to get them. So it was enough for me to put an order in just to get all the little totes. But then I thought, well, I might as well try the Rainstorm then because I don't have that. And I already know I like the Raindrop and I like the white, having a bag that's whitish. So
So that blue bag was Rainstorm?
yes.
And the other one was just Storm?
No, it was Raindrop.
I thought the gray one was Storm.
This color is Storm.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So the bag.
Yeah, is called the Rainstorm because this color is aqua.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
You'll get there eventually.
No, I won't.
So that's what I have for you today. If you haven't already, please go over and watch Dawn's video. She got some fun stuff as well. She's listed in the description box below. Also, Eva from Fuchsia Floyd did do a really recent Portland Leather Goods haul as well, so you could go check hers out. I'll link her down in the description box below as well. Please, if you haven't already, consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Means a lot to me when you do that. It doesn't cost anything. Hit the little notification bell. You'll always be notified then when I put out new videos, which is generally on Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Look at you committing.
I am. I'm committing. And if you haven't already, try to find me or find me.
Try to find her.
Try to find me. I'm hiding on Instagram.
Where are you?
I'm a stop.
There she is.
James Jam there as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. You got me flustered. And please leave a comment. I love interacting with everybody in the comments. It's really fun to start getting to know everybody a little bit more and to find out like the things you're getting and you're looking at. So I'm going to ask, are any of you looking at anything at Portland Leather Goods lately, or have you purchased anything from there lately, and what are your thoughts on it? Other than that, I just want to thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it, to those of you who are subscribed, and thank you more so than anything for watching. It really means a lot to me. I think we both had a lot of fun doing Vlogmas this year, last year. So maybe we'll do it again this year. And yeah, just hope your New Year's off to a great start. I'll see you again with a new video on Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Happy leap year.